The most important part to a great chicken wing is that juicy center with that really nice crispy outside. These are the wings that I make for my wife. It's a good balance of sweet and spicy. I'm Chef Brandon Rosen from the San Francisco Bay Area. So the first step to making sweet and spicy chicken wings is to grab a bowl and mix together FAGE Sour Cream with 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Add chili powder, garlic powder, a little bit of sea salt, and a touch of cayenne. The texture of the FAGE Sour Cream holds up really well throughout the marinade, and the acidity from the sour cream helps to tenderize the chicken wings. Once coated, let that sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Lay your chicken wings onto a sheet rack and make sure that none of the chicken wings are touching. You want the FAGE Sour Cream to really caramelize thoroughly on all sides. While they're in the oven, prepare your chicken wing glaze with a little bit of Dijon mustard, honey, red pepper flakes, and sherry vinegar. Once the wings come out of the oven, brush them with the glaze and place them back in the oven until they've become glossy and crispy. For the dipping sauce, mix together your FAGE Sour Cream, lime juice, and chopped fresh cilantro. FAGE Sour Cream is non-GMO project verified, and it uses very simple ingredients. The best part about eating this dish is it covers a little bit of every texture and flavor. It's got a great kind of crispy outside with little crunchy bits of delicious caramelized sour cream. And there's a balance of spicy, salt, and sweet. And the creamy texture of the FAGE Sour Cream helps take the chicken wings to the next level.